Communication, VIP.
Communication without confrontation. If you or any members of your team ever have conflicts of reducing defensiveness, how to correct people, making sure that others need to be more accountable, even how to get consistent behavioral change, then this topic of communication without confrontation is just for you. Here are 3 different skills that attendees will learn in this workshop. Number 1, they're going to learn how to speak with more validity to reduce opinion and to speak with more facts to avoid miscommunications. Number 2, they're also going to learn a technique called fire terms. These are ways to avoid the words and phrases that can cause other people to get defensive, even if inadvertently. And the third technique is called Fix, F-I-X. These are 3 steps to identify the problem, but most importantly, have the person who's being corrected walk away with empowerment and accountability so they don't feel chastised, they feel informed. If you or anyone that you know needs to improve how they reduce defensiveness and build rapport, then the topic of this is going to be most advantageous for you and your team. So remember, if you want to reduce defensiveness, this is the topic that will help you communicate without confrontation.
Communication, VIP.